Yo, what's up everyone? It's your name. And listen, you want real strength, right? Not just looking strong but moving like a beast? It all starts with your legs. We're talking about the foundation, the powerhouse that drives every step, every jump, everything. And you don't need fancy gyms or equipment. Today, I'm sharing 6 simple exercises you can do anywhere to build those legs into weapons. We're hitting every angle, every muscle, so you can walk with confidence and power. No more skipping leg day, alright? Get ready to work. Alright, let's kick things off with the king, the squat. This exercise is the foundation of any great leg workout, and it's essential for building strength and power in your lower body. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, the squat is a must-have in your routine. Feet a little wider than shoulder width, toes pointed slightly out. This stance helps you maintain balance and ensures that your knees track over your toes, preventing injury. Now when you drop down, imagine sitting back in a chair. This mental cue helps you engage the right muscles and maintain proper form throughout the movement. Keep that back straight, core tight, and go as low as you can. A straight back prevents strain on your spine, and a tight core stabilizes your entire body. Feel those quads and glutes working? That's what we want. These are the primary muscles targeted by the squat, and you'll feel them burning as you go through your reps. Don't be afraid to start with just your body weight. Form is key here. Mastering the basics without any added weight ensures that you build a strong foundation. Once you've mastered that, you can add weight. But for now, let's build that solid foundation. Adding weight too soon can compromise your form and increase the risk of injury. Remember, slow and controlled on the way down, explode up through your heels. This controlled descent maximizes muscle engagement and the explosive ascent builds power. Feel that power coming from those legs. This explosive movement is what helps you develop strength and speed. We're gonna do 3 sets of 15 reps, let's go. Consistency is key, and by sticking to this routine, you'll see improvements in no time. Keep pushing, and remember, every rep counts towards building those powerful legs. Next up, we're hitting those legs from a different angle with lunges. Step forward with one leg, keeping your upper body straight. Lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. That back knee should almost touch the ground, but don't slam it down. Push off with that front foot to return to the starting position. Now repeat on the other side. Lunges are amazing for balance and coordination too. Feel that burn in your quads and glutes? That's how you know it's working. 3 sets of 12 reps on each leg, let's go. Now it's time to show those calves some love. Calf raises might seem simple, but they're crucial for explosive power in every step. Stand up straight, feet hip-width apart. Now push through the balls of your feet and raise your heels off the ground. Feel that squeeze in your calves? Hold it for a second at the top, then slowly lower back down. You can do these on a flat surface or use a step for a greater range of motion. Either way, focus on that mind-muscle connection. 3 sets of 15 reps. Let's go. Alright, time to hit the leg press machine. This is one of the most effective exercises for building strong, powerful legs. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance performance or just someone aiming to improve overall fitness, the leg press is a must-have in your workout routine. Now this is where you can really start to push some weight and challenge those legs. The leg press allows you to lift heavier weights than many other leg exercises, making it perfect for building muscle mass and strength. Sit down on the machine, feet shoulder-width apart on the platform. This stance ensures that you engage all the major muscle groups in your legs, including your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Make sure your back is flat against the seat and your core is engaged. This helps to protect your spine and ensures that you're using the correct muscles during the exercise. Now push the platform away from you by extending your legs. Focus on a smooth, controlled motion to maximize muscle engagement and minimize the risk of injury. Don't lock out your knees at the top. Keeping a slight bend in your knees helps to maintain tension in your muscles and protects your joints. Control the weight throughout the entire movement. This not only makes the exercise more effective but also helps to build better muscle coordination and stability. Slowly lower the platform back down until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. This range of motion ensures that you're working your muscles through their full length, promoting balanced development. Feel that stretch in your hamstrings and glutes. That's a sign that you're doing it right. The leg press is excellent for targeting these often overlooked muscles. That's what we're looking for. A good stretch means your muscles are being effectively engaged and worked. 3 sets of 10 reps. Push yourself. Remember, consistency is key. Over time, you'll see significant improvements in your leg strength and overall fitness. Keep challenging yourself and enjoy the process. Let's talk deadlifts. This exercise is a staple in any strength training routine. This is a powerhouse move, working not just your legs but your back and core too. It's a compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it incredibly efficient. It's all about that proper form. Without the right technique, you risk injury and won't get the full benefits. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, the barbell over your midfoot. This stance provides a stable base for lifting. Bend at your hips, keeping your back straight, and grab the bar with an overhand grip. Your hands should be just outside your knees. Now, lift the weight by extending your hips and knees simultaneously. Think of pushing the ground away with your feet. Keep that core tight and back straight throughout the entire movement. This helps protect your spine and maximizes power transfer. Lower the weight back to the ground with the same control. Don't just drop it. Control the descent to work your muscles even more. Remember, this is a full-body exercise, so engage everything. Your legs, back, core, and even your grip strength are all working together. Aim for 3 sets of 8 reps. Focus on quality over quantity. You got this. With consistent practice, you'll see improvements in your strength and overall fitness. Last but not least, we're finishing strong with step-ups. This exercise is great for building single-leg strength and improving your balance. Find a bench or platform that's about knee-high. Step onto the platform with one leg, pushing through your heel to lift your body up. Bring the other leg up to meet it on the platform. Step back down with the same leg you started with. Keep your core engaged and back straight throughout the exercise. You can hold dumbbells for an extra challenge. 3 sets of 10 reps on each leg. Let's finish strong. There you have it, 6 simple yet powerful exercises to unleash your leg strength. Remember, consistency is key. Make these exercises a regular part of your routine and watch your legs transform. Now I want to see you crushing it. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome workouts. Keep pushing your limits and I'll see you in the next one.